Hello everyone, welcome back. In the previous video, we learned how we do packing and unpacking. So packing is very similar to initializing a tuple. Therefore, in this video, we are going to focus on unpacking tuples. I'm having a tuple called person info. It has three elements, two strings and one integer. So the first element is Alice, the second element is 25, and the third element is engineer. Now to do the unpacking, I'm having three variables here being initialized and declared. I'm having name, age, and profession. They are equal to my tuple, person info, okay? And they are going to take the values of this tuple respectively. For example, this name is going to take the first element of my tuple because it is mentioned first. Age is mentioned secondly, so it is going to take the second element of the person info tuple, and profession is mentioned as the third in the list here, so it is going to take the third element of the person info tuple. Okay, then I'm printing out three things here. I'm having the name, the age, and the profession. And I'm using name here, age here, and profession here. So each one of them is taking one value from this tuple. When I run this code, in the output, first we see the messages. So name, age, and profession, name, age, and profession. Then we see instead of name, we are having Alice. Instead of the age, we are having 25. And instead of profession, we are having engineer. So this is how the unpacking works. We can break the elements of a tuple down into different variables, and we can use those variables separately. This is how unpacking works in tuples. Thank you for watching.